later as we have Simona Di Silvestro against the safer barrier.
A lot of flash and flame coming out of there.
And those flames are usually caused by oil.
But look at how much is up on the right front.
Oh, yeah, this is
that's not good.
a little more serious than an oil fire, I'm afraid. Let's get the fire.
Wow.
Jeez, we got to get her out of there, but quick.
Come on, come on.
Having a little bit of difficulty doing so.
Go, get her out, get her out.
Let's get the flames retarded here, shall we? Man.
There's an extinguisher bottle. Come on, get it on there.
Having just all kinds of difficulty getting her out of the race car.
You need to get the head restraint out, and they were trying to do so, but it was binding, and it is very difficult to get out of these cars. Obviously, the team is livid.
Yeah. But there she is. She's out, so that's great.
Yeah, of course, the